The liver is a vital organ. It works tirelessly behind the scenes. It acts as a filter, removing toxins from our blood. This process is called detoxification. The liver performs over 500 functions. It produces bile for digestion. It helps regulate hormones. It even plays a role in our immune system. The liver is incredibly resilient. It can regenerate itself. But if we overload it with toxins, it can become damaged. We need to take care of our liver. A healthy liver means a healthier you. Carbohydrates are a type of nutrient found in food. They are one of the main sources of energy for our bodies, and they come in two main forms: simple and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are found in foods like sugar and white bread, while complex carbohydrates are found in foods like whole grains and vegetables. Our bodies need some carbohydrates for energy. They help fuel our muscles during exercise and provide the energy needed for our brains to function properly. Without enough carbohydrates, we can feel tired and sluggish. But too many carbohydrates can be harmful, especially to the liver. When we consume more carbohydrates than our bodies need, the excess is converted into fat. This fat can accumulate in various parts of the body, including the liver. When we eat excess carbohydrates, our bodies store them as fat. This is a natural process, but it can become problematic when the amount of stored fat becomes too high. Over time, this can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Some of this fat ends up in the liver. When fat builds up in the liver, it can cause a condition known as fatty liver disease. This condition can be silent, meaning it doesn't always cause symptoms right away. This is called fatty liver disease. It's a serious condition that can lead to more severe liver problems if not addressed. The liver is a vital organ that helps process nutrients and detoxify the body, so keeping it healthy is crucial. Fatty liver disease can lead to inflammation and damage. If the liver becomes inflamed, it can cause pain and discomfort. In severe cases, it can lead to liver failure. It can even cause scarring of the liver, known as cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is a condition where the liver becomes scarred and permanently damaged. This can severely impact the liver's ability to function and can be life-threatening. High carbohydrate diets are also linked to other health problems. Consuming too many simple carbohydrates, like those found in sugary snacks and fast food, can increase the risk of developing chronic conditions. These include type 2 diabetes, which occurs when the body becomes resistant to insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels, and resistance to it can lead to high blood sugar and other complications, heart disease and obesity. Obesity is a major risk factor for many health conditions, including heart disease and diabetes. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for overall health. We need to be mindful of our carbohydrate intake. Reading nutrition labels and being aware of the types of carbohydrates we consume can help us make healthier choices. Choosing complex carbohydrates over simple carbohydrates can make a big difference. Complex carbohydrates are digested more slowly, providing a steady source of energy and helping to keep blood sugar levels stable. They're also more nutritious, offering vitamins, minerals, and fiber that are essential for good health. The liver often suffers silently, performing its vital functions without making a fuss. It's a resilient organ, capable of regenerating itself, but that doesn't mean it's invincible. Over time, various factors can take a toll on its health, leading to potential damage. Early liver damage may not cause any noticeable symptoms, making it difficult to detect without medical tests. This is why regular checkups are so important, especially if you have risk factors like a history of alcohol use, obesity, or exposure to certain toxins. That's why it's important to be aware of potential warning signs. Subtle changes in your body can be the first indicators that something is amiss. Paying attention to these signs can help you catch liver issues early when they're most treatable. Fatigue is a common symptom of liver problems. If you find yourself feeling unusually tired, even after a good night's sleep, it might be worth considering your liver health. Chronic fatigue can be a sign that your liver is struggling to keep up with its many tasks. The liver plays a crucial role in energy production. It helps convert nutrients from the food you eat into energy your body can use. When the liver is not functioning properly, this process can be disrupted, leading to persistent low energy levels. A struggling liver can lead to low energy levels, making it hard to get through your daily activities. This can affect your overall quality of life, making it important to address any underlying liver issues promptly. Digestive issues like bloating, nausea, and changes in bowel movements can also signal liver distress. The liver is essential for digestion, and when it's not working well, you might notice these uncomfortable symptoms. Yellowing of the skin or eyes, known as jaundice, is a more serious symptom. This occurs when the liver is unable to process bilirubin properly, leading to its buildup in the body. Jaundice is a clear sign that you need to seek medical attention immediately. It indicates a buildup of bilirubin, a waste product the liver normally removes. When the liver is compromised, bilirubin can accumulate, causing the yellow discoloration of the skin and eyes. This is not something to ignore, as it can indicate severe liver dysfunction. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. They can perform the necessary tests to determine the health of your liver and recommend appropriate treatments or lifestyle changes to help manage the condition. Early detection and treatment are essential for liver health. By paying attention to your body and seeking medical advice when needed, you can help ensure your liver stays healthy and continues to perform its vital functions effectively. Our bodies have an innate ability to heal. We can support our liver's natural detoxification process through simple, natural remedies. Drinking plenty of water is crucial. Water helps flush out toxins from the body. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Herbal teas like dandelion root tea and milk thistle tea have liver-supporting properties. Dandelion root aids in bile production, while milk thistle protects liver cells from damage. Adding lemon to your water can also be beneficial. Lemon stimulates the liver's natural cleansing processes. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these natural remedies into your daily routine for optimal liver health. Section 5. The power of plants, foods that cleanse and revitalize. Nature provides us with an abundance of foods that support liver health. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is essential. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds that help the liver detoxify harmful substances. Berries, particularly blueberries and cranberries, are rich in antioxidants that protect the liver from damage. Garlic and onions contain sulfur compounds that support the liver's detoxification enzymes. Incorporate these liver-loving foods into your meals to nourish and cleanse your liver naturally. Section 6. Beyond diet, lifestyle choices for a happy liver. While diet plays a vital role in liver health, lifestyle choices also have a significant impact. Engaging in regular physical activities such as hiking or biking not only keeps you fit but also supports liver function. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial. Regular exercise like jogging or aerobics helps in burning calories and reducing fat accumulation in the liver. Excess weight, especially around the abdomen, increases the risk of fatty liver disease. Monitoring your waistline and engaging in outdoor fitness activities can significantly lower this risk. Regular exercise benefits the liver in numerous ways. It not only helps in weight management, but also boosts overall metabolic health. It helps control weight, lowers inflammation, and improves insulin sensitivity. Activities like brisk walking or Tai Chi are excellent for maintaining liver health. Limiting alcohol intake is essential. Opting for non-alcoholic beverages during social gatherings can make a big difference. Excessive alcohol consumption is a leading cause of liver damage. Choosing healthier alternatives like smoothies or mocktails can help protect your liver. Getting enough sleep allows the liver to regenerate and repair itself. Practices like meditation and ensuring a restful environment can enhance sleep quality. By adopting a holistic approach to health, we can optimize our liver function and overall well-being. Enjoying outdoor activities with family and friends, eating balanced meals, and staying active are all part of a liver-friendly lifestyle. Section 7. A day in the life practical tips for liver detox. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. This simple ritual kickstarts your metabolism and supports liver cleansing. Enjoy a breakfast rich in fiber and antioxidants. Think oatmeal with berries, a green smoothie, whole grain toast with avocado. For lunch and dinner, opt for balanced meals with plenty of vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. Snack on liver-friendly options like a handful of nuts, a piece of fruit, vegetable sticks with hummus. Make gradual changes to your diet and lifestyle. Small, sustainable steps lead to lasting results. Section 8. Listen to your liver, the path to overall wellness. The liver is a powerful indicator of our overall health. When our liver is happy, we feel our best. Pay attention to your body's signals. Fatigue, digestive issues, or skin changes can be signs that your liver needs support. Make time for self-care. Stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and spending time in nature can benefit both your mind and liver. Remember that prevention is key. By adopting healthy habits now, you can protect your liver and enjoy optimal health for years to come. Section 9. Take charge of your health, a call to action. Our health is our most precious asset. We have the power to take charge of our well-being, starting with our liver. Make informed choices about your diet and lifestyle. Choose foods that nourish your body and avoid those that harm it. Seek guidance from healthcare professionals. Regular checkups and screenings can help detect liver problems early on. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Support systems, whether from loved ones or healthcare providers, can make a world of difference. Let's prioritize our liver health and unlock a life of vitality and well-being.